Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. Good morning. Have a nice day. Friends, today I am again present for our solve online system with lecture number 5. Some other devices of computer networking communication. Right. So, in previously we have to discuss about the hub, switch, and routers. Right. You have to remember we have to discuss already about hub, switch, and routers, and today we will focus on other three major things of computer communication networking devices. Right. That's are repeaters, bridge, and gateways. So please continue with me till the end of this video, dear friends, and please share this video your educated families and also educated related your friends, right? So please continue with me till the end of this video. Good. So today we will focus on the repeaters, gateways, and bridge. So first of all, we will discuss on the repeaters. What is work of repeaters on the networking? What is usage of repeaters, right? And why we have to need repeaters, right? So please concern me. First of all, repeaters, it amplifies to the signals when they are transported over a long distance, right? It amplifies to the signals when they are transported over a long distance. What? Don't worry, I will discuss. Repeaters used for the regenerate the signals, right? And reach signals clearly to the side of destination, right? If suppose PC1 share the data PC2, right? But that's PC2 is a long distance, right? So the signals of PC1 become weak and loose. In this case, on the networking, repeaters help those signals become powerful. Means convert weak signals and become that powerful and clearly reach to the side of destination. That's work of repeaters, right? Repeaters means regenerated to the signals. Signals become weak and that signals become powerful with the help of repeaters. Let's talk about continue. Repeaters used for regenerate the signals and reach signals clearly to the side of destination. Example is that suppose PC1 talk with PC2, right? And due to long distance, this is long distance, and this is also used between repeaters, right? Repeaters also used for weak signal converted powerful signals, and also we can say other words regenerate the signals. How this can be possible? PC1 contact and share the data PC2, but long distance, due to long distance, the signals of PC1 become weak, and that's why in this case solve problem repeaters. What problem solve that repeaters solve that regenerate weak signal and become powerful that signal and reach to the side of destination. That's work of repeaters on the networking, right? In this case, continue. And this example tells that PC1 send the data to the side of PC2. PC1 send the data to the side of PC2. But due to long distance, the signals become weak. PC1 signals become weak. In this situation, repeaters make that weak signals powerful. Regenerate to the side of destination. So friend, hopefully this is simple case. What is work of repeaters? means convert weak signals to the powerful and regenerate it and to reach to the side of destination, receiver side. That's called repeaters, right? In this case, you have to keep in your mind, maybe upcoming in your interview section or any test or any Viva related information technology or become a good engineer network, right? So you have to keep major 3 or 4 things more. So let's talk about important note. Repeaters work on the layer of OSI model, physical layer of OSI model. Repeaters work on which layer of OSI model? Physical layer of OSI model. First is that. Next, repeaters used mainly for regenerate the signals and make weak signals to the powerful and reach to the side of destination. We have to cover in this theoretical concept and also practical concept. So clear about hopefully. Last one is repeaters and hub. Right. We have to cover in previous lecture what is hub. Send the data one PC to all PCs in one time. That's work of hub. Right. In this case, you have to keep in your mind repeaters and hub. Both work on which layer of OSI model? Physical layer of OSI model. So friends, hopefully it's simple concept about repeaters. Right. Good. So friends, still continue my lecture and the next step is gateway, right? So let's talk about the gateways. This term is also part of two networks. Gateways translate one protocol to another protocol. How? We will learn in this lecture, right? Gateways operate any layer of OSI model, any layer, application, presence, session, transport, network, physical, data link layer, any layer. Operates any layer, means work on any layer of the OSI model, right? It is intelligence device or networking devices, right? It is intelligence device or networking devices, right? As I compare hub, switch, router and bridge, etc. It is intelligence device. Why intelligence? Because it operates any layer of the OSI model. So continue scenario of the what? Gateway. In this case, this is example of suppose LAN. In this LAN, I have connected 3 PCs, PC1, PC2, PC3, and that PCs are connected with device of networking called as switch, and switch is connected another thing server. In this case, in this situation, server work as a like gateway, right? And that server and gateways are connected. Next step, next protocol, that's called internet. In this scenario, this example, which things tells about this scenario? Let's continue. Server work with gateways. First of all, server just like work on gateways, right? Next step is in this scenario, server gateway convert the internet access protocol. Which are the internet access protocol? This is other protocol and this is different other protocol, right? This is access internet access, convert internet access protocol into the server protocols, right? In this case, still we are continuous. In this scenario, server gateway convert the internet access protocol into the server protocol for access internet. In this case, we have to need of call gateway is that gateway translate one protocol to another protocol. In this situation, in this scenario, that's called gateways. Okay. So next important note, gateway work on any layer of the OSI model. First of all, that any layer operates. Suppose this is important. Gateway operates any layer of OSI model because it is intelligence device all the networking devices. Right. It is simple and it is translate one protocol to another protocol and gateway work on any layer of the OSI model. So friends, in this case, it's very simple and hopefully you are also clear about firstly repeaters and gateways. Good. So friends, still continue our lecture number 5, right. So now we will discuss on the bridge, right. First of all, bridge work on the OSI model layer. Which layer of the OSI model? Data link layer of the OSI model, right. It is similar as a switch. It is similar as a switch. If it filters the data traffic, reduced traffic on the networking, right. It reduces the traffic, right, and data divided packets into small segmentation, right, small pieces to reduce the traffic, right. That's work of bridge on the networking. Other thing, bridge is also used for two network connected with each other. Why we have to need a bridge? Bridge is also used for two network connected with each other. That's work of bridge. Let's talk about the scenario. This LAN 1, which I have connected PC1, PC2, PC3 with the MAC address A, B, C. PC1 have MAC address A, PC2 have MAC address B, PC3 have MAC address C, and then that three are connected with the hub, right, and next hub with connected with the bridge, right, and bridge also connected in other network, right, which is LAN 2, and here PC4, PC5, PC6. Here PC4 has MAC address D and PC5 have MAC address E and PC6 has MAC address F. This is other network and this is other network, right. This is a different network and this is a different network because bridge is also used for two networks connected with each other. This is a different and this is a different. Now, what's work of bridge? If PC1 talk PC3, it's not don't no needable data will be go to the side of other network. No, it's work of bridge, and bridge has own MAC lookup, media access control, right. Yes, okay, media access control, right, and check the table media access control table that which destination of MAC address, right. Suppose PC1 has MAC address A, PC2 has MAC address B, PC63 has MAC address C. Now here bridge has authority that analyzes and PC1 talk with PC3 easily, and data not will go further to the side of other different network. You have to keep in your mind because bridge has media access control lookup table, right. In this case, in this scenario, what tells about bridge? Let's continue. If PC1 send the data, bridge keep the PC or MAC address into his table first of all. Next means destination MAC address. What? Destination MAC address, right. Suppose I want to, I have PC1, right. I want to share the data PC2 with the help of bridge. bridge, if suppose know about destination of the MAC address, then my data will be go, otherwise my data will not be go there, right? That's same case. If the destination MAC address found, then data will be go, right? Data will be not go destination side if MAC will not found the destination of site. Means what? If MAC address found the destination site, data will be go. Otherwise, if MAC address destination site not found, data will be not go there. In this situations, what are the important note you have to keep in your mind according bridge? As you have to note about gateways and repeaters. In this case, bridge, right? So let's start. It's simply similar to the side of switch. It reduces and filters the data traffic on the networking. Two things. And data divided into packets, small segmentations, pieces, right? This networking devices also used for two network connected with each other. That's our MCQs may be upcoming into your interview sections or any test with the networking section. So friends, I think that's all for today. We have to covered about hub, switch, routers, gateway, repeaters and bridge, right? So I want to again repeat that hub is also used for which layer of the OSI model? Physical, right? And hub, what is the work of hub on the networking? It sends the data one PC to all PCs in one time, right? Next is switch. Switch is also which layer of the OSI model work? Switch is also work on the OSI model which data link layer of the OSI model, right? And what is the work of switch on the networking? Switch also used for sending the data one PC to another particular PC, that's called switch. And next we have to cover what? Routers. Routers is used on the networking devices and network layer of the OSI model. And routers is also used for connected different two or more than two different lane with each other. That's called routers. In this case, what we have to discuss in this lecture? Repeaters regenerate the signals, means weak signals converted into powerful signals. That's work of repeaters on the network, right? Other hand, gateways. Gateways is also intelligence device. Gateway is also used any layer of the OSI model, means operate any layer of the OSI model, right? And next we have to cover about bridge. Bridge is also used for connected to lane, right, with each other, and also reduce the traffic clouding on the network. That's called bridge. Okay, friendly, we have to congratulations. We have to covered about basic networking completely in this section. Inshallah, we will jump on the next lecture with the IP addressing or networking subnetting mask. So please stay tuned and please concern with me. This is an interesting series of networking. Inshallah, we will complete it very soon. And after then this series, I will start new series web system technologies practical. Right. So please concern with me. Thanks for watching. And meet you soon again, inshallah ta'ala. And please share and subscribe my YouTube channel and share your friendly and share your educated family. Again, thanks for watching. God bless you. Thank you.